In this question, it is given that a color-blind man marries a woman who is homozygous for normal color vision. So, what is the probability of their son being colorblind? Now, color blindness is a sex-linked recessive trait which is carried on the X chromosome. So, the man with color blindness has the genotypes XCY, while a homozygous woman with normal vision has the genotype XX. Now, from the Punnett square, it is evident that all daughters will be carriers but not colorblind, and all sons will inherit the Y chromosome from their father and normal X chromosome from their mother, making them normal. So the probability of their son being colorblind is 0%, as the mother does not carry the colorblind allele on her X chromosome. Hence, the correct answer is option C.